All right, this is a close information. I just got a call right now. This native doctor by name Aquanaratugo, shortly about, I dropped the live video about a few minutes ago, but around 15 minutes ago, Aquanaratugo left Anambra State. Right now, Aquanaratugo is on his way heading to, I think he's close to, what's it called? Orifite now. Aquanaratugo is heading to Orifite now. He's on his way. He just left Okija to Orifite now. Aquanaratugo is between Okija to Orifite now. I don't think he has crossed to Orifite the last time I checked. Aquanaratugo is on his way now. The moment I finished this live video I made just minutes ago before I came back to refreshing up, Aquanaratugo is on his way now, running to Asaba, where it's like he built a house around Asaba. Aquanaratugo, there's no need running. Remember, name was somebody about I think that money should be about 100 million naira. Tomorrow I will ask the person for the clear evidence about Lamado through that your shrine of Guapo. About 100 million naira where I told you. I didn't come on the internet to talk about it. I kept quiet. So Aquanaratugo now, the men in charge of that particular shrine. My eye, Nabalinta, today, tomorrow, I no go sleep. My eye go there where you dey. Please help me tag the Nigerian police, tag Professor Charles Soludo, Aquanaratugo, the custodian of human corpse, Okija Shrine, is on his way now, currently now heading to Asaba now. He just left Okija right now, barely 15 minutes ago. While I was on live video, this guy was throwing his properties into the car. He's on his way now to Asaba. So if there are men, if there are policemen around Oba, around between Oba, he just crossed to Orifite now, between Orifite to Oba, to Obosi Junction, diverting to Head Bridge, Second Niger Bridge. That is where they can get Aquanaratugo right now. Now this guy, they show people dead body. Now this guy, they in charge. Him and some other cohorts that I will be naming tomorrow morning. Aquanaratugo is on his way. This video, they are sending this video to him. If he turns back, I will still say it here. So he's on his way to Asaba and should be arrested for Inwozum Madonna Shrine here. My eye like this, they on jig. But after the video, now cut us on. He never knew that this day would come. Omara. Manolila. So Aquanaratugo is on his way to Asaba. Ebon Wurulo on Asaba. He's heading to Asaba. So those close to the governor, the SA to Professor Charles Soludo, the SAs to this governor, he must have gone to sleep tonight. But people should tag any close by authority that can arrest Aquanaratugo right now. Right now. Aquanaratugo is running out of Okija. He's on his way to Asaba this night. Don't joke with this information. Within this road, the Nigerian police should get Aquanaratugo arrested on this road tonight. He's on his way leaving Okija now to Asaba. The panic, he's panicking seriously because of the live video I made. I'm not saying much for Nati tomorrow. Boss again, we'll talk your location. Live and direct. Tomorrow evidence go boku. Videos where they show human corpses. Amami budeli neriozu. And I believe his informants are also telling him that Governor Ezoka go live. Now, noekumakage. So na say be. There is no hiding place for any wicked soul. There is no hiding place for any jeopardizing elephant. No way. So no so. That of Aqua, I know they worried about that one. Ka ego stubozum mother. like onye Jesus. This morning by 7 is a new day already. It's a new week. Each week starts from Sunday. Okay, so this new week, it's a new day already. We've entered Sunday. So by 7 a.m., 7:30, I'll be making videos. And I'm not sleeping tonight because I should be downloading their videos, series of their videos. I'll be showing it on the internet. Let's see if there's any information. The guy na Abaziko okay now. On helter scatter tonight. Why couldn't you hide yourself? Nima Rosiga. Why are you running tonight? Late time. Many of them are leaving their locations already because the government just reacted small. In Abazi also. What happened to only 100 million? What happened to other people about the Charugo where they the money? Akwanara to go. What happened to these people? What about their money? After Batara Hongo get the money. So Abatara Hongo naka their enemy. You will pay the money. We're threatening her also. Because him and he knew something. That was why I couldn't talk about it. That complaint came to me. I couldn't talk about it because Diego or the Charum genuine nanya. I warned many of them. The moment you go to someone anybody in a particular any shrine at all, it's as good as not even trying it in the beginning. Okay. So on the run. Akwanara Tugo on the run. He's on the run now to Asaba. So the police should trace between the house. He has a house around Asaba. If you need the details of that particular house where he's going, we'll still provide it for you free of charge. Even 12:32. Messages are still coming, informations are coming. So the government should do better. Mushiana Akwanara Tugo. Alright, stay tuned. I'll still bring you information. Anywhere he is. Here. Magic, Megaria, Nkeji, I told me made mistake. Soludo, I beg. Professor Charles Soludo, Governor Anambra State, no pay me any money. I beg. No pay me any money, sir. I'm ready to do this work for you. I'm ready to do this job for humanity. Anywhere these people na atokolo job, me go come, me like this. It's all Akwanara to go meja kam jiderega Akwanara to go like this. That was a promise I made to Obiada and I delivered. I've promised it to many of them and I delivered. So try me with this one. Try me. No pay me anything. Just provide and them na high so where then allow me. I promise you, sir, I will deliver. I will deliver Biko, sir. Biko. Can share these people. Not only that place, some of them which are connections, Nimo State. And when any native doctor that is related to this, the abnormality, Nimo, me will be at the front, there. All I need is APES authorities. I'm ready. Even this night, are they ready? The one I want to catch majorly, tomorrow morning I will name them. If you want where they are, I'm going to see where I'm going to see Jiden or boy boss of Qualiano, I go catch them. I go catch them anywhere where that dibia like make it hide. So I will help you catch them. Not be every dibia. You get native doctors need that Mbrogona Bako where go ya will not be those ones. Those ones my hand no di. I no fit even find them trouble. But for those ones, man can initiate. Seniana Gwandara ni shake ishia. Na bamba na video na kotoshi rubbish. Menyaka joli fite jidea. That single permission, that's what I need. Nda merili mana no bomwa. So just that back in. Just that back up, that's all I need. Whether he lost, whether your men, I rule they should just surrender the vicinity. Also go to that DB about own shrine here. I go enter their catch am. Mudia with Ezibota County. I promise you, anyone I catch without at least offering that one a better quality slap. Forget the size of my pants. If you can't jabba mad account, you will like it. Yeah, like yeah. I promise I will dish out a very well, at least 3 kg slap. Nante that one. Please, sir, please. Please. Maronka free. Don't pay me kobo. Allowance more no give me. Are they ready? So Akwanara Tuga, I'll be very, very glad. Obama Eche ya knows about na police eme ya arrest. It will be very, very awesome. Now this guy, they show people cops. Obonya Jozunde mad, he's one of them. And there are about 3 or 4, 5 of them. Yota. Ndesino hama baka for he says it. Tomorrow I'll be presenting videos. Eba ne butari ozunde mad. Ona abane gori with ozundi Igbo. Ozundi Anambra ozu majorly. Thank you. Tomorrow, this morning, 7:30, we'll continue this live broadcast. Governor Zogu is available. Professor Soludo, he got it.